you a day of vibrant health and deep calm. Thank you for joining our community of dreamers and makers. There's something so poetic about the art of front porch sitting. The rhythmic creak of a rocker and the smell of rain on stone. Today, we're diving into rustic farmhouse front yard ideas that invite you to slow down. Join us as we explore how weathered wood, soft textiles, and native blooms can turn your entrance into a soulful living retreat. Imagine a porch where every floorboard has a story to tell. Reclaimed wood, with its deep grains and silvered patina, offers a warmth that new timber simply cannot reach. It feels solid underfoot, a grounding transition between the busy world and the quiet of your home. As the sun hits the weathered surface, it releases a faint, earthy scent of cedar or pine, setting the stage for a morning coffee or an evening of watching the world go by. It is the heart of the farmhouse aesthetic. Honest, rugged, and infinitely welcoming. Even the smallest front yard can hold a secret. By tucking a pair of chairs into a corner screened by a hydrangea bush or a small picket fence, you create a room outdoors. This isn't just a place to sit. It's a destination for reflection. It's about carving out a space where you can feel the grass between your toes and hear the birdsong, proving that you don't need an acre of land to find a sanctuary. It's the art of the hidden nook, where the boundaries of the home expand into the garden. There is a rhythmic peace in the movement of a rocking chair. Imagine a set of mismatched vintage rockers, their paint gently flaking, sitting on a sun-drenched porch. Or a heavy wooden swing hung by thick hemp ropes, swaying in the breeze. These pieces are the icons of slow living. They invite you to linger, to talk, and to breathe. They turn a front yard into a living history book, echoing the quiet afternoons of generations past while providing a soft place to land in the present. A path should do more than lead to the door. It should guide the spirit. Imagine a walkway made of irregular salvaged stones, their edges softened by creeping moss and tiny white clover. As you walk, the stones feel cool and steady. This upcycled approach to landscaping respects the natural contours of the earth. It creates a sense of discovery, making the short walk from the gate to the porch feel like a wandering journey through a private, rustic woodland. The cozy in a rustic space comes from the soft edges. Imagine a wooden bench draped in a heavy, hand-woven throw or a pile of linen cushions in muted oat and sage tones. Textiles blur the line between the interior and the exterior, signaling to the brain that this is a place for rest. They catch the evening breeze and provide a tactile comfort that makes the rugged wood and stone of the front yard feel nurtured and deeply personal. Standing at the base of the porch steps, a pair of vintage galvanized milk cans adds a touch of working farm history. Their matte, zinc-colored surfaces provide a stunning neutral backdrop for the vibrant greens of ferns or the bright bursts of red geraniums. There is a quiet industrial strength in these cans. They are perfectly imperfect, showing the dents and scratches of a life well lived, and bringing a grounded, authentic soul to the front yard's curb appeal. As the light fades, the rustic front yard takes on a cinematic glow. Imagine the flicker of real candles inside wrought iron lanterns or the soft, amber hum of solar-powered Edison bulbs strung along the eaves. This lighting doesn't shout. It whispers. It highlights the texture of the stone walls and the leaves of the trees, creating a theater of light and shadow that makes the front yard feel safe, warm, and infinitely enchanting as the stars begin to emerge. When space is tight, the farmhouse garden reaches for the sky. An old wooden painter's ladder, leaning casually against the house, becomes a vertical gallery of life. Imagine each rung holding a different treasure: a pot of mint, a trailing ivy, or a small bird's nest found in the woods. It adds a layer of height and architectural interest, turning a plain wall into a blooming tapestry of green. It's a space-saving masterpiece that celebrates the beauty of the found object. There is such beauty in the weathered, the rescued, and the well-loved. Whether it's a simple stone path or a flower-filled milk can, your front yard tells the story of the peace found within. Thank you for spending these quiet moments with us. We hope you carry a little bit of this rustic charm into your day and your home. Stay well, stay inspired, and we look forward to seeing you on our next journey together.